Is AI a benefit or a drawback? Unquestionably, this technology has enormous potential, but what will happen when machines can perform tasks that humans never imagined they could? Artificial intelligence is not a technology of the future. Rather, it is a technology that is changing our world right now. The exciting and ever-evolving field of artificial intelligence, AI. In this video, we'll look at the top 10 AI inventions that are now transforming society. Now let's get started. Number 10, the rise of deepfakes. Have you ever watched a video that appears to be authentic but isn't? Deepfakes are artificial intelligence-generated, realistic-looking fake films and pictures. Deepfakes could be used for criminal activity, disseminating misleading information, or even tricking people. As technology advances, it will become more difficult to distinguish between bogus and real content. Number 9. Examine large-scale phone conversation data to identify trends. The AI powers of Invoca's signal discovery are quite remarkable. It will automatically sort through and classify every one of the thousands of calls that your business gets. You and your team will be able to learn from the data what tactics, words, subjects, or sentences are helping or hurting your chances of success. Then, with the use of these insights, you can enhance your research and development strategy, marketing messaging, and sales scripts, all of which will help you maintain satisfied consumers. Number 8. Perfect voice cloning. Imagine if someone could imitate your voice so well that you wouldn't be able to detect the difference. That is the capability of voice cloning technology. Although it was first created for beneficial purposes, such as aiding the speechless, it can also be misused for negative purposes, such as identity theft or the dissemination of misleading information. What ethical ramifications do these AI breakthroughs have, and how can we make sure they're applied for the greater good? In the end, will AI make life simpler or more complicated? What are the possible drawbacks that we should be mindful of? How will industries and the nature of labor change as a result of these AI-powered tools? Which talents will be in demand and what new jobs will emerge? Number 7. Branding assistance. Artificial intelligence can assist in rebranding your existing company or launching a new endeavor. You may quickly feel like a graphic design pro with the amazing capabilities offered by businesses like Wix Logo Generator, as well as some terrific logo generators to inspire creativity. It's now easier than ever to establish your brand guidelines and produce social media content through branding. Number 6. Make investments. Given the enormous amount of financial and investment data that is available, artificial intelligence's predictive powers will only get better with time. Is it allowed? Is it treated fairly? To both, the answer is yes. Artificial intelligence is used by at least 52% of U.S. financial organizations to design investment strategies and trade stocks. AI has made it possible for investors and stock traders to make judgments faster, more accurate, and with more knowledge. It makes use of machine learning to execute trend analysis and identification that we could never perform on our own. It can even modify its trading methods based on past performance. Number 5. Artificial intelligence in transportation and travel. The travel and transport sectors are witnessing a major shift towards artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is simplifying life by facilitating travel and recommending the best way home after work. The worldwide travel technology industry is growing and is expected to reach $12.5 billion by 2026. Cutting-edge industries like artificial intelligence are fueling this growth. Travelers should anticipate more frequent contact with artificial intelligence, AI, on their upcoming journeys, since AI is considered a technology that can give travel agencies a competitive advantage. Artificial intelligence, AI-driven chatbots, are quickly revolutionizing the travel sector by enabling human-like communication with clients for quicker response times, better booking deals, and even trip suggestions. Does artificial intelligence, AI, undermine or enhance human creativity? What effects will AI have on how we express and construct ourselves? Will artificial intelligence eventually outsmart humans? In a future where intelligent machines increasingly rule, what does it mean to be human? How should humans influence the creation and application of AI? How do we make sure AI satisfies our values and needs? Number 4. Natural language processing, NLP. The area of artificial intelligence that focuses on natural language communication between computers and people is called natural language processing, or NLP. NLP is the study and application of teaching computers to read and comprehend spoken and written human language. As a result, computers can now analyze, process, and produce language in the same ways as people. Natural language processing, NLP, has several uses, including sentiment analysis, language translation, chatbots, and virtual assistants. NLP-enabled chatbots, for instance, can have genuine conversations with clients, offering assistance and responding to inquiries without requiring human participation. Sentiment analysis, which is helpful in industries like marketing and customer service, uses natural language processing, NLP, to ascertain the emotional tone of written material. NLP, in general, is an essential part of AI that makes it possible for machines to communicate with people more instinctively and naturally. As technology advances, we might expect even more cutting-edge NLP applications in a variety of industries. Real-world examples of NLP in action. Numerous real-world applications of NLP are already transforming numerous industries. These are but a few instances. Interpretation into another language. After evaluating and comprehending the source content, computers can translate documents between languages accurately thanks to natural language processing, NLP. This could be particularly useful for fields like international business and diplomacy. Number 3. Analytical prediction. Within the field of artificial intelligence, predictive analytics employs machine learning and statistical algorithms to evaluate data and forecast future patterns or events. Organizations can use predictive analytics to find trends in their data that may not be obvious at first, which enables them to take proactive steps to reduce risks and make better decisions. Numerous industries, including marketing, sports, healthcare, and finance, use predictive analytics. Businesses can use it to estimate demand in the future, spot possible fraud, and even anticipate equipment breakdown before it happens. Number 2. Powering self-driving cars. Artificial intelligence is driving the development of self-driving cars, making them capable of precise road navigation. AI systems are capable of real-time environmental perception with the use of an intricate network of sensors, cameras, and radar. These systems enable them to identify objects such as traffic signals, lane markings, people, and bicycles. Powerful AI algorithms that make snap choices are then given this continuous stream of data, enabling the vehicle to maneuver through traffic, avoid obstructions, and guarantee a smooth and safe ride for its occupants. In the upcoming years, or even sooner, they become more trustworthy. Self-driving automobile technology is being developed using AI. AI is used by self-driving cars to navigate and make judgments while driving. The future of the self-driving automobile business is being driven by artificial intelligence. These vehicles are equipped with an abundance of sensors that continuously monitor everything around them and use artificial intelligence, AI, to make the necessary modifications. In a split second, these sensors gather hundreds of data points every millisecond, such as vehicle speed, traffic volume, road conditions, pedestrian location, etc. And artificial intelligence, AI, assists in interpreting the information and taking appropriate action. Number 1. Aiding physicians with disease diagnosis. AI is turning out to be a useful weapon in the fight against illness. Artificial intelligence, AI, may spot minute patterns and abnormalities that could go unnoticed by the human eye by examining enormous volumes of medical scans, patient data, and even genetic material. Due to this, physicians can diagnose patients more precisely and frequently at an earlier stage, which results in more successful treatment regimens and better patient outcomes. Imagine artificial intelligence, AI, functioning as a highly skilled helper, sorting through massive amounts of data and pointing up possible problems for the physician to examine, ultimately resulting in a quicker and more accurate route to recovery. AI has the potential to have a big impact on the future. As AI technology advances, we might expect to see more cutting-edge applications that improve efficacy, productivity, and quality of life. However, we also need to consider the ethical implications of AI and ensure that the principles of transparency, accountability, and fairness are upheld in the development and application of this technology. Artificial intelligence is a rapidly evolving field of study that has the power to fundamentally change how we work, live, and engage with the world. By understanding the most useful AI principles and their real-world applications, we can stay current on the newest technical developments and their effects on society. Can artificial intelligence aid in the fight against diseases, poverty, and climate change? How can we use artificial intelligence, AI, to our advantage? What are the possible advantages and disadvantages of utilizing AI to make important choices in fields like law enforcement, healthcare, and finance? What long-term effects will artificial intelligence have on humanity? To see more videos, kindly click the bell icon and also subscribe. Don't forget to also like and share this video. We appreciate your time and interest. See you in the next video.